Hello friends, today let us discuss prime numbers, composite numbers and perfect numbers. What are prime numbers? Numbers which has exactly two factors are called prime numbers. For example, if we take 2 has two factors 2 and 1. Similarly 3 also have two factors 3 and 1. Such numbers which has exactly two factors are called prime numbers. What about 1? 1 has only one factor, that is 1. So 1 is not considered as a prime number. Secondly, composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, if you take 35 and factorize it, we get factors 1, 5, 7 and 35. 4 factors. Such numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Perfect numbers are those numbers which has exactly three factors. For example, if we take 25 and factorize it, 25 has three factors 1, 5 and 25. Again 9. What about 9? 9 has three factors. They are 1, 3 and 9. Such numbers which has exactly three factors are called perfect numbers. Thank you.